Hi, I'm Ed Osborne from KITFAB Products, and we're here today at the APICS show in Chicago. We've just got distribution on a new product called Box Latch. Let me show you. The Box Latch is a very simple product that allows you to reutilize, not recycle, reutilize cardboard boxes. Here's how it works. You close the flaps on a box and you simply place the device over and you seal it. They come in large and small. Our large one also comes with anchors, so if you want to really secure the bottom of the box there. So if you have the pick and pack operation, you're moving parts downstream to a customer or across your enterprise, you can use these corner clips to hold the flaps down. Now it operates sort of like a bin, and you can do your pack operation. They come in multiple colors. Some customers like to color code things, or you might like a particular color. Every time you use a Box Latch, you're saving on your cost of boxes. Every time you use a Box Latch, you're saving on the cost of tape and the time it takes to tape, so you're benefiting from reduced cycle time in your operation. Go to our website, KITFABproducts.com, and look at the link for featured products and read more about it. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.